Hello and welcome to another video where we will show you how to earn $2,350.72 per day with Google Trends and YouTube Shorts. And hey, don't worry, I will show you the step-by-step process of how to do it. We should all learn how to make money online. The first thing you'll need is a YouTube channel. The next step involves finding a popular topic using Google Trends. Just head over to trends.google.com. If you're not in the United States, change the country settings in the top right corner. Picking the United States is a good idea because it helps you attract more American readers, leading to better earnings. Once you've done that, click on Trending Now. You can choose almost any topic from the list. What's important is that many people search for it on Google Trends. To ensure you don't forget your chosen topic and the essential keywords, jot them down in Google Docs or your preferred note-taking app. That way, you'll have it saved for reference. Of our process, we will use ChatGPT to help us create an article. Here's what you need to do. Open Google and search for a web ChatGPT extension. Click on the first link that shows up. Install the extension, and once it's installed, you'll see the web access interface. Head back to ChatGPT and activate the one-click prompt. Choose SEO optimized article with a 100% unique human written style. Click on tone and pick a tone that matches the vibe of your chosen topic. For example, if your topic is something emotional, go for an emotional tone. Same for the writing style. Copy the topic you found on Google Trends and paste it into ChatGPT. The tool will then generate a complete article for you. Once ChatGPT has created the article, copy and paste it into your Google document. You don't need to copy the outline, just the article itself. Go to medium.com. You can always sign up for free if you don't have an account yet. All you need is your name, email, and password. Once you're in your account, click on Write. Copy and paste the topic of your article into the title field. Now, copy the entire article you saved in your Google Docs. Head back to ChatGPT and turn off the one-click prompts. Next, ask ChatGPT to come up with a script for a 30-second YouTube Shorts video. After getting the script, return to your Google document and paste it. This sets you up for the next stage of the process. Now, if you're enjoying this video and you want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's continue with the next steps. Now we're heading back to YouTube. Here's what you need to do. Paste the topic of your article into the YouTube search bar. Look for relevant footage related to your topic. Pick a video with high views. Download the video, but you only need specific parts of it for your purpose. Copy the link of the video. Use a video downloader to paste the link and choose your preferred quality, like 1080p, for better resolution. Once you've downloaded the video, move on to Canva. The software is free to use and doesn't cost anything. Canva is where the creative process begins. This is where you'll start seeing your concept come together and understand how this method can lead to earnings. After logging into Canva, follow these steps. Navigate to the Videos section and select Mobile Videos. This ensures you get a vertical video suitable for platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram Reels. Remember the video you downloaded earlier? Upload it to Canva by dragging and dropping it. This will allow you to trim and use the necessary parts. The video might not fit perfectly as a YouTube Shorts by default. Resize and adjust it by dragging it to fit the frame. Play the video to find the best segment. Leave some space at the bottom intentionally. You'll add text there later. Generate a 3-word heading title from ChatGPT. Copy it for now. To add a visual element, click Elements and drag a shape to the bottom. Resize it to fit the screen. Now, click Text in the left corner. Choose Add a Heading and place it where the blank space is. Paste the 3-word title from ChatGPT into the text box. This text will be positioned beneath the video. Style your text, choose a color, and adjust the video size. This ensures your text is obvious and engaging for viewers. It's important to note that the focus of this method isn't on selling something, though that's an option if you wish. The key here is engagement and views. Press the S key on your keyboard to trim the video. This allows you to select the unwanted part and delete it. When your video is ready, click Share, then Download. Choose the 1080p MP4 format and hit Download. It's time to see your creative work in action. Access your YouTube account by going to youtube.com and clicking Your Channel. Once on your channel page, click Create at the top and select Upload Video. Upload your video by dragging and dropping it into the Select Files section. YouTube will begin uploading it automatically. Give your YouTube Shorts a video title and include #Shorts. This enhances visibility and informs YouTube it's a YouTube Shorts video. Add #Shorts in the description too. Move on to Medium and publish your article. Right-click on Publish, provide a topic, and click Share. Copy the provided link. For instance, with Linkvertise, you'll need to register by providing a username, email, and password verifying that you're not a robot. Once registered, proceed to the payout section to learn more about how much is the earning potential and provide the necessary details. Now, return to Medium and locate your article's link. Click Share and copy the link. Navigate back to your chosen URL shortener, click Create Link, paste your link in Set Your Target URL, and click the Forward button to proceed. Enter your article's title in Short Link Title and Link Title. Consult ChatGPT for a description and complete the other fields as needed. Click the Forward button to inform you about your potential earnings. Continue by hitting the Forward button again. Your shortened link is now available under Share Your Link. Copy this link as it will be placed in your YouTube bio. To do so, open your YouTube account, click your profile picture, access YouTube Studio, and select Basic Info under Customization. Fill in the link title and paste the shortened URL from your chosen URL shortener website. Click Publish. Upon returning to your YouTube homepage, your link is displayed at the top. Anyone clicking on it will access your article or view ads, resulting in earnings. By implementing these steps, your YouTube Shorts will drive substantial traffic to your article. It's a comprehensive method that combines content, video, and income generation. This ingenious side hustle is a potent combination of creativity, accessibility, allowing you to earn money effortlessly as viewers engage with ads. What's remarkable is that you're not selling anything, just sharing valuable content and capitalizing on viewer engagement. Imagine the flexibility and potential of this method. It's your personal work-from-home endeavor, driven by your creative flair and enriched by apps that promise to earn money. As viewers watch, click, and engage, the dollars accumulate, providing an intriguing avenue to supplement your income or even transform it into a substantial revenue source. So, whether you're seeking to diversify your income streams, explore a new side hustle, or fully embrace the possibilities of working from home, this method offers a compelling way to merge content creation with monetary gain. Embark on this journey with the insights and steps shared and begin reaping the rewards of your YouTube Shorts content. The path to making money online has never been so engaging, accessible, and potentially rewarding. And that's a wrap. This has been another day of learning new ways to make money online. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business.